the girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know.
Hi guys, it's me, it's Marina, it's Mars, it's that girl. I uploaded a video the other day, or is it yesterday? Probably yesterday, about my Ulta beauty shopping haul. So if you have not watched that video, go watch that video. I bought a few things that I'm using today, and I'm so excited. I love this look. This is the look I came up with. But if you want to know how I got it, then just keep watching. Today's video, I'm gonna use my products that I bought in the shopping haul. So if you haven't watched my last video, I did Ulta shopping haul, and go watch it. And I'm gonna use all the stuff that I bought. So let's get started. So make sure you start with a clean base. So you moisturized, you primed, and let's start the eyes. So in my video, I bought a Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow spoolie. So let's conceal the brows, but first we're gonna draw them in a little bit because they need to be drawn. Dynamic Duo, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and the brush. So I got the shade dark brown, and let's just start filling them in. So let's just brush up and just very lightly, light hand, kind of draw them. Just go over them a little bit. They're already shaped really nice. Shout out to the eyebrow place that I go to. They're amazing in Sarasota. So yeah, there's a little difference, right? That looks good, right? It's drawn in. It's ideal. Now I'm gonna conceal them, and I'm not using concealer this time. I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. So this is what it looks like. This is just in the shade 02. It's amazing. This is my favorite eyeshadow base. Okay, so I'm just taking some on a brush and concealing the brows, and taking it all the way down here. I don't want to use too much. We're not going in with like a super dramatic look. Just enough to prime and conceal. So you can tell a little difference, right? Between that and this eye. So what I love about this eyeshadow base is that it also makes the eyeshadow pop more, and has more of a pigment to it. So let's go in with the eyeshadow. So in my last video that I did, I got the Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette, but like I forgot it at home. So let's just go in with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly. They're very similar in the color shades that they have. So I'm gonna try to work with it, you know. So I'm gonna mix these two right here and just take it all over the lid. Kind of just pat it on there and then just smoke it out. So right where your eye creases, you see where my eye creases, that's where I'm gonna place it and blend it out. Not too high up, but just enough right here. Just like that. So here's how it's looking. Now I'm going in with this burnt red color kinda, and putting it right here, outer corner, kind of in circular motions. Okay, now I'm gonna take this color right here, and it's gonna be our transition color. So we're gonna do it, gonna put it right here. So like just right on top of that first color that we applied. It's called Orange Soda. Love it. Reminds me of Fanta. Now I'm taking this right here and placing it all over the lid. It's called Rose Pink. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay liner that I got in my shopping haul. I'm gonna try it out for the first time, so let's see. Just want a little wing, a little liner, not too much. Always a good day when you finish the eyes. It's pretty simple, but still cute, you know? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've been seeing this everywhere, and I hope it lives up to the hype. So we're gonna try it for the first time. So here's how it looks. Why do I drop everything? All right, so that's applied. It's nice. It's like very smooth, kind of sticky. So it's getting ready for the foundation. My favorite foundation, the Bobbi Brown foundation. I had to re-up and buy a new one. Packaging, quality, the finish, it's just so beautiful. I gotta show you guys. So I'm taking this IT Cosmetics brush, Heavenly Skin brush, and just gonna pump some on my hand. Stipple foundation on my face. This is literally the best. Oh, the best. Like, it's so beautiful. The finish of the skin, like, it's just skin-like. Like, you can't even tell you're wearing it. It's not heavy at all. It's amazing coverage, medium buildable coverage, so medium to full coverage. But look at this, you guys. Like, I don't even need a pawpaw to blend it out. It just blends out perfectly. Like, even on my hand, look how it just blended on my hand. Just blended into my skin. What? I'm obsessed. Literally 2 pumps, and this is the finish. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, one of my favorites. The Hourglass, the Lancome, and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Some of my favorites. Depending on your skin type, you have to find a concealer that works for your skin type. But I'm gonna show you a trick. If you're under eye concealer creases, like under your eyes, I'm gonna show you a trick. So what you do is you take your concealer, okay? You're gonna put some on the back of your hand. Back of your hand, like that. Then you're gonna take a concealer brush. I'm using this Il Makiage concealer brush. You could use any concealer brush. Going like this on my hand, okay? And then placing it on my face. Don't touch it, just let it sit there. Okay, we're not blending it out right now. Just let it sit on your face for like a minute or two. I'm gonna show you a trick, okay? So as it's setting, smile, and you see the creases, you're gonna go in with the brush and blend. So smile, blend it out. Smile, blend any lines. Then go in with your Papa Wonder Blender and just blend everything out. My face is literally like in your face right now, because I want to show you how amazing this is. The finish of the foundation and the concealer, top notch, top tier. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, my favorite bronzer. So excited. I got the shade Tan, and I'm just gonna stamp it on my face. Can we take a moment for this bronzer? It's pretty expensive, unfortunately. However, you get a huge, like this is huge, and the finish, look at it. It's a powder bronzer and it's amazing. Setting everything with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and so I just put something like that, take a brush, and just pat all over the face. Urban Decay eye pencil, my favorite, in black. Just gonna tight line my waterline. Alright, I just smoked out my waterline. Adding a little blush by Ulta Beauty. L'Oreal Plump Ambition lip gloss. What do we think of this look? I'm obsessed. I'm always obsessed with the look. I added some freckles, and this is the finished product, the finished look. Did you guys love it? If you enjoyed this video, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. I post almost every other day, so make sure you're subscribed. And never forget, as always, you are that girl. Signing off.